name's Tony McQueen. I have a 2019 Lexus LC500. This is the second kind of quote-unquote car I've helped built out. It's basically 80% Liberty Walk. We got some aim gain fenders, carbon fiber artisan hood, and then a Rowan front lip. Normally, I'd like to keep my cars pretty clean. It's factory colors of pearl white, kind of inspired by the whole Liberty Walk ration going back to Japan, where a lot of their cars adopting this kind of fighter jet theme. So we decided to wrap the car in a gray color and then airbrush on top of it to get it that fighter jet look. Running 21-inch work wheels, kind of touched every aspect of this car, from custom titanium air intake to the trunk setup with full audio replacement. But one of my favorite pieces of the car are my brakes. I'm running R1 Concepts brake kit. So I have the full big 8 kit on the front with the 430 millimeter rotor. So it's pretty nice to pull up when you got a 17-inch rotor, kind of filling out the 21-inch face, The performance on these brakes, aside from the looks, is just amazing. I mean, the factory brakes are good, but when you're driving a heavy car, as the LC is, having those brakes behind you where you just barely tap the brake pedal, you get a lot of performance and a lot of braking power behind the car. So really appreciate what R1's done over the few years that I've helped support them and they've supported me. So, yeah.